Hello, influencer. My name is Shalene Ague, and I'm excited to help you get started and continue strong on your 21-day insta-start. What am I here to help you do? I'm here to help you know that you just have to share Posh. Did you know that our products are so amazing that you get them on people and they fall in love? Yes, they fall in love. So I'm going to help you come up with a great program to get your business kickstarted strong. Number one, you've joined, right? You've joined. You've let people know that you've joined. You should have let people know that you joined, right? That's why we're here. When you love a product or you love something, what's the first thing you do? You share it. So here is my first challenge for you. Number one, do at least 1 to 2 unboxings. And what do I mean by that? This is what I mean. Grab your starter kit, snap a photo, or go live on your favorite social media and do an unboxing of your starter kit. That is the best way to get people asking questions. And that's what you want them to do, is ask questions so you can easily get product on them. Number 2, I would really challenge you to get a few of your lady friends together, family members together, and do another unboxing. Unboxing number 2, live at your home. This is a great way to not only share your excitement, but to get those products in your starter kit on them ASAP. And that is so important. But it doesn't stop there, you guys. Your starter kit, if you purchase that $99 starter kit, or even if you built your own with the $30 kit, is super easy to share. Don't make it hard. Number 1 is in your starter kit, you will get your own big, fat, yummy hand cream. And let me tell you something. This bad boy, and this is just one of them, can be your gateway to sharing Posh. You don't even have to make samples of it. Take this with you wherever you go. Open it up, put it on yourself in the grocery line, at the bank teller, wherever you're at. Pull your big fat yummy out and put it on. People will smell it and ask you, what is that you're putting on? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna open your big fat yummy and you're gonna put it on them. Now, I'll tell you, it's something that people are going to want to know more about, so be prepared. I always have a little either zipper pouch or something in my purse that will have a few of those amazing hand creams that I can share with them. Now, it doesn't have to be pre-made. You can make them yourself. But the important part is to get the product on them and always be prepared. Be prepared with other things that you can share with them, other fragrances or even other products. Your starter kit will help you get started with that. So look at that. Already, we have done a live unboxing on a social media. We've invited people in and done our own unboxing, number 2. We've prepared to share as we're out and about, we're doing our normal daily life things, whether it be a big fat yummy or a few samples. And next, ask people, would you be willing to bring just a few friends in? Ask a family member, ask a really good friend for a favor if they would love to help you share what you're so excited about. After that, it'll expand your sphere of influence and you will continue to be able to grow your Perfectly Posh sphere. I am so beyond excited for you guys, but I really just want you guys to know that sharing how much you love something sharing your passion and getting those products on people is the most important part about sharing Perfectly Posh. People will fall in love. I can guarantee you. I've been with this company almost 8 years, and these big fat yummies have never failed me yet. So take a few minutes, sit down with your calendar, and figure out when you can do your unboxing, when you can have some people over for your unboxing, with what big fat yummy hand creams or products you're gonna carry with you to share, and start arranging a time for you to get together with a few other friends and share how much you love these amazing products. Welcome to the Perfectly Posh family. We're excited to have you and very excited to see you rock out your 21-day Insta-Start. Thanks, guys.